Can you guys keep a secret just between us? Here's the crazy truth that no one wants to admit who works in the money management firm business. I did. The easiest investing strategy in the world. It beats people who get paid millions of dollars to manage money. So it's not about trading. It's not about predicting the next crisis. It's not about finding the next Nividia or Tesla. It's simply buying the S&P 500 index fund or a Nasdaq fund and then do nothing. Really, nothing. And then every month, you might want to consider putting a small amount of your paycheck in. And you dollar cost average. It doesn't matter, bull market, bear market, you do it every month. $100, $1,000. Because guess what? Over the long run, you're going to outperform the smartest hedge fund managers ever. Even Warren Buffett says it. You want to learn more? Watch my videos. I'm here to help you. I know I was a hedge fund manager.